USA gamers, imagine GTA 5 not just as your favorite game, but as your daily paycheck. In this video, I will show you how to build mods that wow players and help you earn cash every single day. GTA 5 mods are exploding across America. From jaw-dropping cars to insane missions, mods keep the game alive. And here's the secret. US players love supporting creators who deliver fresh, original content. Step 1. Grab the essentials. OpenIV and ScriptHook 5. These tools unlock the modding universe. Step 2. Think bold and original. Don't just copy, create mods that stand out. Whether it's a graphics overhaul, a wild vehicle pack, or a brand new mission line. Step 3. Share your work on GTA5-mods.com, Patreon, or your own channel. Consistency builds a loyal US fanbase. Step 4. Monetize smart. Offer exclusive mods, create tutorials, or showcase your work on YouTube. Each path can generate daily income while growing your brand. So if you are in the USA and ready to turn GTA 5 into your side hustle, start modding today. Originality plus consistency equals daily cash. Subscribe for more US gaming growth hacks, and let's build your GTA 5 modding empire together.